Hi there. I'd just like to talk through some demos that we've put together, which give you an idea of what we can use AI for common problems within the legal industry. So the first of these is labeling clauses, and we can show you how we can use a machine learning model to determine what particular type a given clause is. So here we've got some text on the left, and we can run this through a model like so. And in this case, we can see that the model predicts with 97% confidence that that particular clause is a governing law clause, and we can see that that's obviously the case. In addition to a confidence level, we can also determine why the clause was classified in that way, and we can see which items, which tokens within the clause were most important in determining that particular prediction. We can do the same thing at the contract level as well. So here we've got the text of an entire contract, and we can run that through a model. And in this case, we get a prediction. This is a consulting agreement. And again, we have a confidence level and what particular terms were most important for the model to determine this. The next common problem is information extraction. So we might want to extract certain pieces of information from a particular contract or part of a contract. And over on the left, I'm going to run the declaration block of a contract through our model. We can see that we can extract certain pieces of information, such as the agreement date, who the parties are, their addresses, and their roles. And this is summarized in the table on the right. Finally, we can use AI to compare two pieces of text. And we can see that in this case, there are three different ways in which we can do that. The first of which is simply comparing the text itself. And we can see here that highlighted in red are places where these two clauses disagree in what text they've got, and the green shows matching text. And we can see in this case that we get a value of 55% similarity. We might expect that to be higher given that both of these pieces of text are governing law clauses, and we can check other measures. So the next method is linguistic similarity, which does a comparison based on the linguistic features of the two texts. And we can see in this case we get a higher value of 68%. Finally, we can run these through a machine learning model which determines how close these pieces of text are in meaning. So it gives us an idea of the semantic similarity between these two clauses. In this case, we can see that the model predicts that these clauses are very similar indeed. So despite the fact that they're only 55% similar in text, in terms of meaning, it's 96%. And this is probably closer to what we would intuitively expect. So we've got some more of these demos coming. And I hope this just gives you a bit of a flavour of what we can use AI to achieve for common problems in legal. Thanks very much, and stay tuned.